upon a time, in a faraway land, lived two lovers who met at the amazing University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. One was brave and strong, and the other intelligent and compassionate. Our story begins with...
Hey, get out of the swamp or I'm gonna squeeze the jelly from your eyes and put it on toast. That's better. It all started when I got put in the lockmiller. I'm a senior and people can't seem to understand. I just want to be left alone. Shrek. Especially the freshmen. They pair me with... Donkey.
Charles, we go to Chamberlain and meet new people.
No!
Please. I got some cool friends and a real nice lady I want you to meet. Hi, Donkey. Come on. I think you really like it.
Never gonna happen.
You just have to believe it. And then I saw her face.
That'll do, Donkey. That'll do.
Okay. I heard she's always been lovely. Let's check that.
Why is this puppet following us?
I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy. What?
Oh, and there's a kitty.
Watch, Dope, or else you'll pay for mercy from Puss in Boots.
I like him.
Trick, have you ever had friends?
I don't see how you make friends, and that's not because I'm blind.
No, and I like it that way.
What, Trick? Can we be friends? From this day forth, you're my best friend.
They're my best friend.
Look, there they are. Oh, and she got a fine looking lady.
And then I was like, there's no way.
Hey, pretty lady. Sorry for my friend. He doesn't know how to talk to ladies. Like me.
Nice to see you, Donkey. What's your friend's name? I've never seen him around before.
This is Shrek. He's my new best friend.
Donkey have been telling me how UTC is the best school. How about you guys take a break from schooling and show me around?
Oh, I don't know. I have to study for my nursing exam tomorrow.
Come on, girl. We've been here for hours. Let's take a break.
Hey, you want to show me Funky Town?
That's a great idea. Hey, Shrek. You see that big old castle over there? Let's go check it out.
That's huge. Do you think he may be compensating for something?
Let's go.
Today we'll be playing with your UTC's campus, so I can take over as chancellor in one field. So, I bet you got a prince already. Hush, fool. Once I'm in power, she won't be able to resist all of this. After I win her over and slay the younger, I'll rule all of UTC and be their king. What do you need us to do? I need us! I found you.
Who's the short king?
I'm your new chancellor, so bow down to me.
Well, there's not much to bow down to.
I'll get that gingerbread. I'll eat you for dessert.
How about we bow for Fiona's heart?
Fine with me. I've had many enemies before you.
Yeah, I got enemies, got a lot of enemies, got a lot of people trying to drain me out of synergy, trying to take it away from me. Make a kid and pray for you. I got people talking shit on me like I do. I've been through some worse.
freak out, but this is the real me.
You're beautiful.
I just love it.
Y'all truly are perfect for each other.
And this is where our story ends. After they were done fighting, Lord Farquaad and Shrek worked together to make UTC the best campus ever, and they all lived happily ever after.